There are many different reasons you may be spending more on your electric bill than your neighbors. We're here to break down some of the most common causes behind an expensive electric bill and what you can do to solve it. Keep watching. Bad attic insulation. Did you know that a recent study found that 90% of homes in the US don't have enough insulation? If you're trying to figure out how to lower your energy bills, you should take a look at your attic insulation first. By investing in higher quality attic insulation, you can help to significantly cut back on how much you're spending on heating and cooling costs. Take a walk around your home and notice if the temperatures vary greatly, depending on what room you're in. Also, don't forget to take a look at how much you're spending each month on heating and cooling costs. If you find your heating and cooling costs are slowly creeping up, the insulation in your attic may be what's causing this. Poor quality HVAC. Your HVAC system could also be at fault for causing an increase in your electric bill. While your HVAC system will use up a lot of electricity, if your system isn't efficient, you're going to be spending a lot more. Make sure you get your HVAC system regularly maintained. This is because any duct leaks, dirty filters, and parts that aren't working can cause your energy bill to slowly increase. Keep in mind, not all HVAC upgrades have to be expensive. Sometimes getting your air filter cleaned makes a huge difference in your bill. Energy consumption. If you've recently moved, you may not be completely aware of how much energy your new home is actually using. That's why it's always a great idea to get an energy audit done after recently moving into a new place. An energy audit will help you get an understanding of how your home uses electricity and the best ways you can go about lowering your energy consumption. You'll only be able to get a complete understanding of why your energy bill is so high after receiving an energy audit. Are you ready to save money on your electric bill? We can complete an energy audit on your home to help you get an idea of how you can start saving a lot more money on your electric bill. Contact us today to learn more.